Hi there, and welcome to episode 8 of the Dicker Data Cloudcast. Just like you, I thought we were done for the year with that last video. However, I've been asked to squeeze in just one more before the end of this year. So I've decided we're going to talk about Microsoft 365 Business and Microsoft 365 Enterprise. With the go live of the business offering of Microsoft 365 on November 1st, I've heard a lot of questions from partners about the Microsoft 365 product. What can it do? What can't it do? What is the value proposition? Can I even upgrade from Office 365 Business Premium? Can I have a trial? And the list goes on. To answer many of your questions, I need to rewind the clock to an earlier part of the year with the release of SPE, or Secure Productive Enterprise, into the CSP Pricebook. SPE was the precursor to the Microsoft 365 offering. It originally was available for enterprise customers through enterprise agreements, and gave organizations the full Microsoft experience, bundled together into two flavors, E3 or E5. When unwrapping these bundles, you were given three core offerings: Office 365 Enterprise Edition, Windows 10 Enterprise Edition, and EMS, Enterprise Mobility Plus Security, which included Microsoft Azure AD Premium, Microsoft Intune, and Azure Rights Management. At Microsoft's Inspire conference in July, they announced Microsoft 365. The reality was that the Secure Productive Enterprise products had been rebranded and given a new name. Secure Productive Enterprise E3 is now Microsoft 365 Enterprise E3, and Secure Productive Enterprise E5 is now Microsoft 365 Enterprise E5. Alongside the renaming, we were introduced to a new member of the family, Microsoft 365 Business. Microsoft 365 Business had no precursor, and very little was known about it, what it could deliver at the time, except it was often compared to Office 365 Business Premium. It shipped with a version of Windows 10 called Windows 10 Business, and had a subset of functionality of the EMS suite. The odd review in Prezzo that came out with a taster of what we were potentially going to get. Microsoft followed up with the announcements of a trial called Microsoft 365 Business Premium. All excited and looking forward to seeing if this lived up to the hype, we signed up to see what functionality was available. I'll pause here on this for the moment, as I'm going to come back to my experience a little later. Now, let's discuss the Microsoft 365 business questions. Isn't Microsoft 365 the same as Office 365? Well, like Word and Excel are individual apps that make up the Office 365 suite, the Office 365 service is part of a collection of offers under the Microsoft 365 suite. What do I get? If you were to purchase Microsoft 365, depending on the edition, you get Office 365 Business Premium, Windows 10 Business, and some advanced security and device management features. With Microsoft 365 Enterprise Edition, you will get Office 365 Enterprise, Windows 10 Enterprise, and the full EMS capabilities. User limits? Microsoft 365 Business is limited to 300 users, no different to the rest of their Office 365 Business range. Can I mix and match Microsoft 365 with other services? Yes, you certainly can. If you only want a select number of employees to have Microsoft 365 Business, and the rest of the organization to use Office 365 Business Premium, for example, it will work. What is Windows 10 Business? Well, the easiest way to explain Windows 10 Business is that it is a group of cloud services and device management capabilities that complement the Windows 10 license. By having Windows 10 Business, you can use Windows Autopilot to streamline device deployment. It also gives you upgrade rights for those devices running Windows 7, 8, and 8.1 Pro to Windows 10, as Windows Autopilot only works with Windows 10 devices. Am I allowed to switch from my current plan of Office 365 Business Premium to Microsoft 365 Business? Yeah, you can. Can I organize a trial? Currently, no. The business preview trial is no longer available now that Microsoft 365 Business launched. And as of today, there is no way to trial it. We can mix and match some of the services to get you close, but there is no simple way to trial Microsoft 365 Business. Sorry everyone. I'm getting this wrap-up signal from the film crew. So to get the rest of the answers to the Microsoft 365 Business questions, tune in next year to see part 2. So, to wrap up, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you and your family from the team here at Dicker Data. I'm out of here, and I'll see you guys next year.